just went out and spent like, I don't know, like $100 on fireworks. Not very much. I bought fireworks. I bought some sparklers. Some sparklers. See? Some big sparklers. And some bottle rockets. Some more bottle rockets. Some more bottle rockets. The house is too bright. No one can see me. A webcam sucks. So, a lot of bottle rockets. Lots of them. I like bottle rockets. I like shooting them at people. And then I put these on the floor. These things, they shoot stuff out of them. I don't really know what they shoot. And then there's some more stuff. Yeah. Now, finally, my camera gets out of the big face. Some more bottle rockets. So, yeah. These fountain type deals. The Indiana Liberty Fountain. Here's a bag of stuff. Little stuff. I gotta put this stuff back in my box. Yeah, help me, Daisy. Daisy is helping me. Ah. Okay, scoot the box over. I gotta go get the other box. Boxes. A lot of boxes of mortars. right there. One. Okay. Gosh dang it. This webcam sucks. One. Two.
Three.
Quit. Four. I'll shoot you in the head with the dart again. Five. Six. Seven. And there's altogether 12, but I'm sure you guys don't want to watch me stack all of them. And I have more, and I will be showing them. So, yeah. Let's watch the video. And, yeah, Moon Howler. I'm grounded. I'm going to see if I can get online, though, okay? Yeah.